Experimentation and testing activities for the development of Agrofarm TTV were aimed at checking conformity with project specifications, performance and the life cycle of the tractor considered globally. The tests were conducted on the vibration test rig, while dynamic tests were carried out on a test circuit with the collaboration of the Italian State Authority for Agricultural Engineering. Long hours of tests and targeted trials resulted in the Agrofarm TTV tractor being subjected to all conceivable physical stresses in order to achieve a faithful reproduction of real working conditions. In addition to bench tests, the tractor was tested on a road circuit with two different surfaces having different friction coefficients. The aim was to check all parameters of performance, fuel consumption and traction capacity in different load and grip conditions.